Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, with this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change Steam account on Faceit. Now to do that, first thing is open a Google browser in your PC and then you need to click open a new tab. Click open a new tab and there you type in faceit.com and press enter. This will open the official web page where you will need to get logged in into the account of yours. Now that you are logged in into the account, you go to and click on this icon over here, click that, and here you need to go and click on this option integration setting, click that. And if you scroll down, you will see the option platform and where you can connect to its Steam and other accounts. As you can see, I currently do not have a Steam account, so I'm just going to connect one. Click on sign in, click on allow, and with that your Steam account has been connected. Now once you have added your Steam account, you can see that there is no change option. That is, once you added Steam account to your Faceit account, you cannot change it at all. If you really want to change your Steam account to the Faceit account, you will need to delete your current Faceit account and create a new one and then add a new Steam account for yourself. This is the only possible way you will be able to have a different Steam account on Faceit. Hope this information on how you can change Steam account is useful. Please like and subscribe to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.